This is the 2024 Chevy Blazer eAWD all-wheel drive. This one is the fully loaded launch edition plus sunroof package. The EPA range on this is 279 miles. Alright, let's get into the video. First thing I'll show you guys is under the hood. Moving on to the trunk. There's your charging cable. Moving on to the rear seats. Moving on to the front. Alright, last but not least, charge ports. Alright, that's the 2024 Chevy Blazer eAWD all-wheel drive, fully loaded launch edition plus sunroof package.